And the consumers, I would bet half the consumers have a heart, and half the consumer would like to know, if they're paying $100 for a chip, where's the money going, right? And is that as opposed to going? I mean, look, I'm not saying corporations should not make money. I'm not against it. I'm a capitalist. I'm not a socialist. But I think the ripping off of the rider, I think, will be as big, if not a bigger story, because I know for a fact, being a consumer on these apps, I know it's happening. So maybe that's the next thing we're going to tackle. What do you say to that, Eric?
I think we're definitely don't want to make any commitments here. We're definitely interested in exploring it. Definitely. Like, I had an experience a couple weeks ago. I went to a concert, and I think it was a $45 Uber. I asked the guy how much he was getting. He got 16. And he's coming in from the burbs. And I was just like, well, why'd you take it? And he's like, well, then I can get downtown. And I'm like, well, God. And it's just, I mean, I think just riders and in general, the general populace is like, where's this money going? Like, we're paying more and more, and the people doing the work are getting paid less and less. And I'm with you. I'm by no means a socialist. Like, I believe companies should make money. But I also don't think that there should, I think that labor laws were invented for a reason. And that we should make sure that they follow. And sure, parts of them need to be updated. Let's update them. But I don't think people should be living in poverty wages doing work.
Yeah, I agree with you. And you know, the rider testing, you know, needs to be thought about and done properly, obviously. But, you know, we have so many things that we're working on our end. Obviously, going forward, we'll share it with you and then, you know, bounce it off of you guys if you'd be interested in collaborating. But I know you can only be on 15, 20 minutes, you said. So we got a couple of minutes remaining. And, you know, I'll give you the floor, man. I mean, you know, tell us whatever you want to tell us.
Sure.